Honorable President, respected Chief Guest, special guest, respected Principal, teachers, parents, and my dear students, a very warm welcome to you all. Dear audience, today is a very special day for us. We are here to celebrate the hard work, discipline, and success of our students. Education is very important. It teaches us to be honest, disciplined, responsible, and kind. Our foundation teaches the Holy Quran, gain knowledge, and become good us. It also helps students to gain knowledge. Our success. Alhamdulillah, our students have done very well. They won 13 awards in the Interbank Children competition. We are very proud of our students. Recently, Tanzimul Mahis Madrasa, Rangon branch, achieved third position in the RTV reality show. It is a great success for us. Dear students, congratulations to all the prize winners. You have made your parents and teachers proud. If you did not get any prize today, don't be sad. Try again and work hard. Study regularly and obey your parents and teachers.